Despite millions of students working hard each year to gain admission to top universities like Harvard, MIT, and the IIMs, 98% of them fail to crack the interview. Everyone wishes to be as successful as Steve Jobs, Barack Obama, and Oprah Winfrey, but they don't know the secret to their success: to command their communication. You too have the powerful potential of success within you, just like, Sharma ji ka beta. But you can't harness this potential without great practice and a great teacher. Namaste. I'm Catherine, an American certified communications expert. I've not only trained thousands of students to become successful speakers, but also empowered them to kickstart a super successful career with the superpower of commanding their communication. I'm extremely excited to launch the Command Your Communication course for the first ever time in India. In this course, you'll learn the 7 C's of communication, impactful body language, and charisma in conversation, as well as many more powerful tips and tricks to help you become a successful communicator. To focus strongly on each and every student's success, we've kept a limited number of seats in every batch. So don't put your future at risk. Be the Steve Jobs, the Kamala Harris, and the Shah Rukh Khan of your generation, and have a super successful future by commanding your communication. Grab this opportunity now and register today.